All right, folks, what we got here is a 2019 Honda CRV. We changed the battery on it. I'm going to try to catch this before it rains. All right, technically, the only tool that you need here is going to be a 10mm ratchet. Okay, so always take the negative cable off first. 10mm cable comes right off. Put it off to the side. See this little retainer here? That's a little 10mm too. You spin that off, and at the same time just lift this up, and this whole negative cable will sit off to the side. Okay, then the positive cable, it's also a 10mm. Take that off, twist that off, put that off to the side over here, everything far away. Then you got two 10mm nuts right here, which is the J bolts. Loosen it up just enough so that you can unhook them from here and unhook it from there, and this whole assembly comes out. Once it comes out, there is this battery warmer cover that lifts up out of the way, and it sits in a plastic tray. All right, so basically I just took the old battery off, put it on the floor, took the battery warmer out, took the battery out, then took the tray out, then put everything back. All right, so battery onto the tray, onto the around the battery warmer, and back in, and that's it. You just gotta do everything reverse. Don't forget, take the negative off first and the negative back last. All right, so when you put it in, I put the retainer in with the tighten up the two 10mm nuts. Then I went and I tightened up this 10mm positive cable. Okay, and then I put this little connector on here to snap it right in, twist it back on, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And then I put the negative cable back on, tighten that up with a 10mm, and we are good to go. All right, so now we're just going to check the charging, and that's it. All right, AutoZone also sells you these little felt pads to go over there, and they're going to give you some little petroleum jelly that you put over the terminals, so to prevent some corrosion. All right, so I'm going to put that on there after I check the charging system. All right, with the new battery in, let's check the charging system. 14.5, 14.7, that's where it should be. It is perfect. All right, so we know that the battery was dead. Matter of fact, we can check the battery. Want to check the battery? Let's do it. All right, here's the old battery. This is a great battery tester by Milton. All right, the way you test it, you put the positive to the positive, negative to negative. And this one, you hold it for a couple of seconds and watch the needle. Okay, you can see the red marks where it says 12 volts. Anywhere in that 9 volts and down, it's bad. All right, so let's hold this. Look at that, shoots right to 6. All right, so yeah, it's bad. Do it again. Yeah, it's bad. All right, so just sitting here by itself, the battery shows it's only about 10 volts. All right, so it was time for a battery. There's a 2019. So between 4 or 5 years old, that's when most batteries go anyway. All right, so change the batteries when it's somewhere around that area. Otherwise, you're just playing games and you're guessing. All right, just rolling the dice, people, rolling the dice. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.